Noeleen Tuala, Malola Parsifo Maria, good morning.
Talofa, good morning.
Yeah. How are you this morning?
Good, thanks.
Yeah.
Very good, yes.
Okay. Statement Talanole company, we'll talk about your company PELE in a minute. O le upu masani le tanu le leo na moto le pa on Wailoa. Your village is in Samoa?
Yes, so I hail from Leolomoenga in Upolu in Samoa and Vava'u in Tonga.
So half Samoa, half Tonga?
Yes.
Talofa lava malo le lei vevea ke tainea.
Good, thank you.
Okay, on company le PELE, let's talk about your company PELE. When did you start your company?
So PELE Baby launched in December last year.
Yeah.
A few years before that, I went looking for a Pacifica blanket for my grandchildren,
Right.
and could only find one in Australia. And it arrived, and I was just disappointed in the quality and knew I could do better.
Okay. Let's talk about a name. How did you come up with the name PELE?
Well, I really wanted a name that represented what my business meant to me. And so PELE obviously translates to dear or darling, whichever way you want to look at it. And
Yeah.
because PELE is an extension of me and it is like another child, so PELE for me is the perfect name.
Yeah, very nice. It is a very nice name. Okay, what inspired you to start this product, or your business, Noeleen?
Well, I have 5 grandchildren.
Yeah.
And just not having access to our Pacifica products for our babies definitely gave me the drive to come up with PELE, because we need to have these items accessible for our babies.
Yeah. So I guess most of your products are for the little ones, the babies, and yeah.
They are.
Yeah.
Yep. So we have a large range, predominantly focused on babies. Yes.
Okay. So when did you start your business?
So last December we launched,
Yeah.
and it's mind blowing. The support we've received to date has just been amazing. You know, I know that I love my product and
Yeah.
believe in it, but to see other people believe in it as well and love it as much as I do is I'm just so grateful.
Okay. So what has been your top seller, Noeleen?
Definitely our playmats,
Yeah.
because our playmats are thick, you know, because our Pacifica babies need a lot of extra cushioning. So our playmats are our best seller.
Okay, let's do a little bit of demonstrations. I'm sure you came with some of your products. Are you okay to show to our listeners and our viewers, not only in Auckland, but around New Zealand and around the world, please,
So
Noeleen?
this is our basic playmat.
Wow, look at it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful.
It's nice and thick.
Yeah,
It's perfect for our bellies.
yeah.
And all of our products are named after our grandchildren and my youngest son.
Wow. So what's the name of that product?
So this is our Basie playmat after my youngest son.
Yeah.
And then we have quite a few playmats, and they're all named after our other grandchildren.
Wow. That looks beautiful, Noeleen.
Thank you.
Very nice. What sort of price you have for that one, if you don't mind me asking you?
So our playmats are $115,
Right.
excluding GST.
Yeah.
But people buy them not only for bellies.
Yeah.
People buy them and hang them on their wall.
Wow.
You know, they use them as mats or they just lay them on their bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, ole tasina o foi o lolo fatawina el company el PELE pona el tama te pule Noeleen Tuala lo o talanoa ile nei foi taimi ole tai hau o le faion na fai lo atu po fe te anga ia la mo wale te products ale PELE ia faion fatawina foi mo le malo le atu. Okay, so Noeleen, as we're talking, we have viewers all around the world, Australia, America. If some of those in Australia and America would love to maybe buy or order online some, are you okay to do that from your side?
Yeah, absolutely. So we ship worldwide.
Yeah.
We ship all over the world. So we get quite a few sales all over the world. But they would just go to our website, which is www.pelebabies.com.
Wow, okay. Your opening hours, please, Noeleen?
So at the moment, the store opening hours for the Nation Collective are 9 to 4:30.
Yeah.
Monday to Saturday.
Yeah. And you are at the Mangele Town Centre, I guess?
Yes, Mangele Town Centre, opposite the library.
Right. And it's a Nation Collective's shop or?
Yep, that's right. So we share the Nesian Collective space with other small business owners, Pacifica business owners,
Right.
and it's amazing because as a business owner, you can only dream that you get a retail space. So this is amazing for us.
Yeah. Okay. And your phone number there for people who want to contact you or?
So it's 027
Yeah.
233 1639.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Noeleen Tuala, congratulations. Malo lava. Nasa ili malo mo businessi. Yeah. Any final words from you?
I really just want to say, we have so much talent in our Pacifica community.
Yeah.
And I really just want to let those who might be listening with a great idea take the next step. You can do it if I'm happy to help. If you want to message me on Instagram or Facebook, I'm more than happy to help because we need to see more of our Pacifica people out there.
Very nice. Okay, Noeleen Tuala, once again, thank you so much for coming in the studio this morning. Manuia lava ni aso. Well, have a great day. Once again, whawhetai lava malo. Thank you. Noeleen Tuala, Mail Company, PELE, Tamaoaiga, Tonu, Nation Collectives, ili taulang whatau I Mangele,